So 13 million pesos motorcycle. So I went to Okada yesterday. Me and my friend went there and we watched the fountain show. Yes. And something caught my eyes in a casino. Okada work with Orange County Chopper. It's a American custom motorcycle. I think they have a show on TV. I'm not sure. They're quite famous. I already heard about them. The bike is fully custom. Nice chopper. The engine is SS. It's very good looking bike. Amazing. Now it's very expensive. 13 million pesos, maybe it's like $250, 250,000. Which I understand a little bit. I mean, it's an American customized, you know, American made by American builder. It is expensive, you know, and everyone needs to make money, you know. But I think in the US probably you have a lot of people who just, you know, you have a few customers can buy this for this price, you know. So yeah, anyway, I make a small video to show you guys because I was like, wow, I need to show those bikes. They're fucking amazing. I wouldn't buy one, but damn, looking at them is very nice. So yeah, here we go, the video. Thank you. Oh boy, taxi in Manila. Fuck, don't get me started.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my